Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to take a look at Ocean Power Technologies Inc. Ticker symbol OPTT. Remember, all uploaded content is strictly for educational purposes only and is just my opinion. Guys, while you're here, please hit them like and subscribe buttons and help us grow this channel so we can continue to bring content your way. And if you'd like to join our Discord server, it's 100% free and you can find the link in the description. Without further ado, let's get into it. Ocean Power Technologies, Inc. develops and commercializes proprietary systems that generate electricity by harnessing the renewable energy of ocean waves in North and South America, Europe, and Asia. It offers PB3 PowerBuoy system that generates power for use independent of the power grid in remote offshore locations. The company also provides hybrid PowerBuoy products, subsea battery systems, and payloads, integration services, and marine installation services. In addition, it offers electric power and real-time data communications for remote offshore and subsea applications in markets such as offshore oil and gas, defense and security, science and research, and communications. The company serves public and private entities and agencies that require remote offshore power. Ocean Power Technologies, Inc. was founded in 1984 and is headquartered in Monroe Township, New Jersey. A new president has come into office, bringing attention to specific penny stocks today. While many sectors are likely to gain attention, none have received more than green energy. The months leading up to the election and the months leading to the inauguration have seen mounting speculation on the future of green energy stocks. One of the core initiatives of the Biden administration is to focus on climate change. A key focus, in particular, has been on advancing the development of things like alternative energy and even electric vehicles. This is a statement directly from the president's own website. Joe Biden will make the largest investment in history in American innovation, including research and innovation to unlock and deploy new zero-carbon technologies for the future, create stable, well-paying jobs across the U.S., and make zero-carbon technologies the most cost-effective and scalable way to meet our country's energy needs. He also aims to create 10 million clean energy jobs. The Biden plan will include investing $400 billion over 10 years. So with an obvious message to the market, it makes sense that traders and investors are looking for energy penny stocks to buy right now. Just like the booming EV space we've discussed in the past, it's not just energy companies that are in focus. It's everything within the supply chain itself. Ocean Power Technologies isn't very boisterous on its newswire. However, the company has made a point to have a voice on Twitter. Last year and now this year, tweets have become more of a catalyst than anything else. Updates on things like the company's PowerBuoy platform have helped breed upbeat sentiment among traders. The platform uses the power of things like ocean waves to create usable energy sources for offshore applications. Last month was a bigger month for headlines that helped propel OPTT shares higher. The company contracted Sea Trepid International to deploy one of Ocean Power's PB3 PowerBuoys and an oceanographic monitoring system off the Chilean coast. This was the first third-party installation of a PowerBuoy, according to Ocean Power. In the company's fiscal Q2 2021 earnings update, George H. Kirby, president and CEO of OPT, explained, "We are seeing long-evolving projects come to fruition with two recent PB3 PowerBuoy-related contracts with ACET and Deep Star. Our expanded sales footprint, coupled with our product and solution suite and cash balance, positions OPT to be able to deliver on anticipated market demand. With this sales strategy in mind, will 2021 continue to see strength from Ocean Power? No matter what you decide, it's always good to keep an eye on market trends. Sometimes they end up cooling off for a period of time, but when they heat back up again, you might want to have a watch list put together, as we've recently seen with some of the hydrogen cell stocks this week. These had been on the back burner while other energy names took the spotlight. But it looks like things have warmed back up, which has also helped spark more interest in the green energy trend right now. Please remember, I am not a financial advisor and you are responsible for your own trades. Please do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. As always, if you liked the video, please help us grow this channel by hitting the like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and take care.